Hi, this is Arif, and I just want to share my honest experience about private label machine course. This organized by Sammy sir. This is not only the course; it's a big platform. Who want to become a businessman? There is such a good modules, video modules. Uh, from these modules, they help us to start and cure the fear of starting and launching our first product. There is Zoom session, weekly Zoom session also, and one WhatsApp group. There is so many experience personality in that group, and you can take advantage and you can your queries, you get good solution from that Zoom sessions and WhatsApp group also. And this is very easy way to achieve your goal. My goal next is around 10 to 15 lakh per month, inshallah. Thank you very much.